Yes, welcome back on the program now. As today hot and now the TORI edition and now with the sunshine and where we will give now all the information. We will give now all the information of what happened over the weekend. Quickly, maybe we'll go through the stories we will get. We'll talk about the 2016 budget of change. China change have now one chance. We'll also talk about Oba Dansuki. We don't cut rope. Give federal government. We'll also talk about NGC. We don't do it. We don't hammer two. Don't hammer two justices. And from there, we'll talk about Oga Presido. We don't give orders. May they do it. May they reopen the case of Oga. That is the late Bola and the late Dokubo. We'll also finally also talk about Oba kidnap. Confusion inside Iba community. We'll still get our guest for house, and that is Princess Folashade Oba, and she still answer our question. And she could also still there for house. And okay, make we enter straight into one of the remaining stories we will get. We talked about the issue of Oba Dansuki. Right now, the trial is yes, in the claim rights, going though now in right as well. Because if court don't give orders, say okay, pending investigation. Where they play out under a particular matter, make una release them Dansuki. We don't the other way don't give since December. But just like I said, the federal government they just want say Amayari will do stronger than top of this. She we go talk say say the federal government down part no get value for the judiciary or no get value for the justice system where they play out for our country Nigeria now waiting.
If you say that, that would be wrong.
Because if they don't follow
the president don't talk and say, if himself look at his personal life story for the judicial system of this country, say they fast enough, they expedited enough. Say a lot of these people where we won't fight, say now big people, and they don't enjoy all these things for too long, and I then get the big money. To get the big ogbonge lawyers where they sabi how to play.
They sabi all the old roundabout inside our law book.
So he don't talk and say that thing can be a little slow. We go fit slow them down in order to quickly get justice for our obodo country. Okay. Say these people, the investigation, if they no get them facts. They no go carry am. And even this man where they talk say he wants to federal government now. Nah, he no deny say he collect the money. He no deny say that money. All the name where they call, nobody don't deny. Yes. You understand? So he get as it be where people at this time go through where their mind say they himself koro shame no day again. They know say they wrong. And yet, one take koro fight them.
But we could look this matter from this angle now. Now, in the claim, say they don't trample on top of him fundamental rights. Right, yes. If we go carry person go court, because we know say based on the way when our law they talk say until the person court talk say this person they guilty or otherwise say the person a suspect. But this one we don't hear of say okay we don't go court don't say may they give him bail. But it can't be like say government. Some people for government, they argue, say, see the money when they talk, they accuse them, say, she anyhow. People don't die from them, all these kind of things. But say, if person go court, now wait till you carry come for front of court, now court go look. If court look, say, why not they hold this man since last year? And we don't talk to them when I give a bail, when I don't give a bail. Now they come, they demand for 15 billion and public apology for say that they hold them, even though court don't say they free them. Some people go look this matter, come talk, say, and say some people already they complain, say this one, now selective this thing. One-sided, a foolish hunt, and the rest of them. How you take things say government go fit quickly? Make we know say in 6 months, in 1 year, we don't see end of case. Because as we do like this now, some people fit carry cake, go give am say, sir, 1 year since they have been saying that they're investigating you, and we have not even gone to jail. Shey say this thing, we not go to drag 1 year because if this government continue like this, make it not be say 2019, we see the fight this corruption.
Make you not talk like this. It be like say our memory. They not too sharp if you talk like that. Because this money where we talk, you they remember the thing where they say may they do the money. And I seen don't they there. Do you know how many people weighing don't help? Make them take hold. Say okay. Because he be one major ogbonge person for this kind case where we talk
not
now.
True, not true.
And if you know the kind palaver where they say make you take money, go save some people. You take the money, go they buy mansion, buy waiting. You don't go that IDP camp. Oga Chukwudi. If you go there, me, na cry, I cry, where. Honestly. So, all this one na distraction. Make person take loose focus for the thing wey be the ogbonge. Crime, you don't commit crime. Our president don't say, make everybody, if you do something, you must today accountable and responsible.
Very true.
And so, in the process, because you say time, does it, the people who don't die, waiting make them come do. You know they fear now.
True.
But
for the immediate, we know say yes, the case where they slam Oga Dansuki off now, something where they very, very heavy. We say yes, so every Nigerian they feel like would they even vex on top of that. But then for us to also get just as Chukwudi talk, make we get a speedy reaction and a speedy response from the judiciary. So make we know say yes. So once a particular case don't present them, make we just see quick action rather than say sluggish.
This one not be say only quick action because the people where they involved too many. Too many. And if you go listening now because the case they court now, it gets something where we know fit talk plenty for on top television like very this. True, you know? But if you look from that time to now, look the kind money, look the kind people, where the thing, and him now one key kini there. Yes, so not be saying federal government won't go against court or anything, but now the investigation still pending, and now they lead them to steal so many. See the other day now, then they still recover money, still they so now pending thing. Anything for progressive, you know, this country. We must not allow it make it fall down, make it tear down.
It go good make we emphasize what you don't talk. You talk say anything to move this our country forward. Yes. And this country we must do everything we do inside our power to ensure that our country no fall apart. From this judiciary angle, it go good make we enter inside waiting the NJC. Don't come out can do. The two of our justices them. They don't already they talk am since right from time say they no go condone make person when we say they sit down say the judge begin they do like say they do kurukere movement and two people now they don't use them as a scapegoat. Mohammed Yunusa justice Mohammed Yunusa and Olamide Oloyede they don't break them down. They talk say Oga Yunusa saying oh no any case where EFCC carry come court they don't check in history saying go just tell EFCC say may they leave this person may they no investigate and the one way concern Olamide Oloyede then talk say some of our behavior based on say if you be judge suppose they carry yourself in a particular way say no good but the one way people they tie to her say na him happen and say na she be the person wey write one letter wey talk say make dem impeach Governor Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola based on say no fit pay salary. Make we come look this matter now. You think say this one as a medium of trying to clean the judiciary go make judges them sit up or some of them go feel say una want they use una power they try them muzzle us because una want make we dey do wetin una want make we do rather than wetin dem bring before us for court of law.
Me, I think say it's good to really clean out the judiciary. Because, you know, somebody there we're supposed to police the police. Make sure, say, everybody, they do their own side. The judiciary, the legislative, the executive. It no go good, make one, they do too much power to break the hand of the other person.
Very true.
E get reason where the three of them they there make it day say make them work together to help push the country forward. So the judiciary has they don't complain say some judges they no do right they try to take bribery take do this so that one it go make people feel say they can get away with anything. What then they do. So, only say that woman owns small. I feel small for her. Because some other people can't say, maybe not because he writes that letter. Say, make the impeach the governor. Now him because, and now woman. So they say, okay, you think say you get mouth. We go winch you back. You know? But me, I no want to go with that school of thought, you know.
Okay, make I also bring her from this angle. Because we'll be here one time where Oga Presido come and talk, say, one of the major challenges where they get, now the judiciary, want to say, then they also ensure, say, some matters, say that they address matters anyhow. I mean, where they're supposed to address them. Okay, going by these actions, what we don't see now, if we talk, so just as Chukwudi talk, say, make we assume, say, okay, now the process of ensuring that, please, we also clean up the judiciary. Okay, how we go also feel ensure, say, if we carry out this cleanup, this gradual cleanup, would they sincerely carry them out? Make it not be saying the end. If a particular judgment go in the favor, where we say we go there against government if you go there see and say, they are not good. Yes, how we ensure that sincerity in clean up this, we clean them up. So at least then we go see transparency for the judiciary sector.
You know, say to become lawyer self no be easy job.
Not true.
So now to hold all of them responsible to the job where they their hand. Okay, I know say some people go say lawyer, once you pay them you can make them to do anything. No, but even for Obodo country there's something where they call integrity. Say the government themselves, they work with the lawyers. Say even when they people it's they easy when they know say somebody do, they go say, oh yeah, tell your client, plead bargain. Not be say you know say the person do bad, you go want to now they teach them to lie, teach them to do this, teach them to do that.
Very, very true.
You know they're good.
Very true. Then this important story, the one where we say for a very long time the families don't live with this particular incident, just like so many other Nigerian families, because it they be like say our investigation for Nigeria, the thing know they come quite well. We get Oga Bola, former minister for power, that year when they buy for 2001. We also get Oga Dokubo when they keep for 2004. Now, Oga Presido don't say make police go reopen that case. People come they look say this is not something when happen 12 and 16 years ago respectively. So if you begin to open this case again, where we won't go from this particular place? And remember say, no be only these people, they don't buy for this bad thing. We get Oga Funshaw Williams and so many other people, Harry Marshall, them when we say then go based on badness. You think say na time to go back for this thing? Abi we just look and say, okay, it don't happen. Make we ensure say this kind of thing don't happen again. Make we move forward.
In order to move forward, it good make we reverse small, look the history, and see as the thing dey. And as the president don't talk, you know, if people they do something and then think say they can get away with it, then you know we are not just talking of ordinary people here. This guy na justice of the Attorney General and Chief Justice of the Federal Republic, and they can't chicken him like that, you know. So it be like big slap on the government for that time. So whether na 16 years, I know say time don't pass plenty, but if they healthy, make the president say, make they look up.
Very, very true. Miss Honorable Princess Folashade Oba, we'll quick rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back. Those of you now when we say don't they try call our phone lines. We will allow you contribute to our own discussion for this small matter before we collect the final word from our Ogbonge visitor. Don't go anywhere now. Still ask if they we're talking together. Hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to ASE the Hot. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade Oba inside studio. And we discuss all the action today we will carry come from weekend. Based on say she be woman, when get plenty wisdom. And they very sure, say if na Old Testament Ebona, especially during the period of First King or Second King, her name go be Mrs. Solomon. The way when she take address all the topics when we carry come. The one we get to do with the 2016 budget, Oga Dansuki cutting rope for federal government, NJC hammering to justice them, PMB made them reopen file, and also the one we get to do with the kidnap of the Oba of Iba land. She don't answer all our questions. Quickly, we go take some calls from our people when we say don't they try call us since. Once we hear all the thing when you get to talk, we will allow our Ogbonge visitor round off. Good morning and welcome to ASE the Hot. Oga Bobby.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Sir.
Okay. I beg that the chief judge they want to sack that the man won't put mat for inside because I think they are not doing their job. From my own perspective, from my own point of view, I feel say they need to do their job well because a common man, they will give them a long sentence for phone when he thief. or better, safe. They'll give her 5 years to 10 years. But people like them, Dansuki and the rest of them, when they receive money, they'll give them 6 months in jail, in house arrest, not even with jail safe. So you think the system is not working. We need people when we say go really take stand on fighting corruption. We not even when we say go the battleize. We need stand for this to fight these people. Because if the judges if they give these people proper sentence, and you will give this man bail for money when he thief. You know, people die from our military went die for not having the weapon to fight Boko Haram. When our soldiers they complain they not get weapon, this will chop the money. Then you won't tell me say you can't give them bail. How you give such a person a bail? You do not give such a person a bail. You make sure say he remain in prison. See, when the case finish, then they will sentence him more for what he do. Oga
Bobby, we don't notice your important contribution, but it go good make we point them out. Say anything when go trample on top of the right of other people, we no support them, but we don't get to hear what you get to talk. We really appreciate your contribution. We get Oga Bolaji. Oga Bolaji, they wait on top of our telephone line. They call us all the way from Lekki. Ladi, good morning and welcome to ASE.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ladi.
Good morning.
Well, I'm very good morning, everybody.
Yeah, will they hear you? Right on.
I'm just sorry for this man where he talk. You know, if we are to obey the law, all this law put and down how it's supposed to be. It's not how big the offense is or how big what you have done. It's actual. All that we are hearing to me, all is politics. You understand? And that one is by the way. What actually, the reason why I'm calling is because of going back to issue of Bola, going back to issue of who is the second person?
I mean, I see Dokubo.
Dokubo. Then they should go back to that.
Other pastime issues.
Fusha Williams.
Yes.
Yes, because they want to do good job. It's not political job. They should go back to every one of those people to investigate what killed them. Because Fusha Williams was a governor aspirant in Lagos.
Yes.
Opposition governor of PDP, I guess, that time. So if Buhari want to do work for us, we know that he's a good man and it's not politics. He should please help us find out what killed
him as well.
Williams also. Because they are all human beings and they are all Nigeria people.
Exactly.
So the people should stop fooling us or crying out loud. We have a lot of problems to think of. Whether somebody killed somebody or somebody did not kill somebody will die one day. Death, as all of us know, is inevitable.
Very true.
So we do not bring any confusion.
Thank you very much for your important contribution. You don't already talk and say, if they won't really do their work, make them go back and check everything. Exactly. We still get one more person on top of our telephone line. Thank you for your patience. Good morning and welcome to ASE.
Marvelous. Good morning.
Hello, now good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I want to quickly talk about the NJC will sack 3 judges, not even 2. One from Bibli is name is Oloye or something, and the last man Yenusa Mohammed. For me, I still say what the NJC do. Now, something we are not at all. Because we are start from Yenusa. The reason why they sack Yenusa, we know that because of that Folashade matter. All of us, we know that one. We go agree with that one. And because of Folashade matter, still, they carry and go to Supreme Court. What does the Supreme Court do about that? They say make it vacate and sit today. Tell her not to send it for that House of Assembly. She never come out, that's the thing. And the other woman, that means I don't remember that name. I like to see the woman talk because I watched when the woman passed in judgment. He can't want to know that woman make and a very valid statement. He said, what this kind of governor would be parade himself? They start saying, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. What will be the Excellency when you look at his salary? I think that's starting. I think when you go to parade yourself, you go come with convoy, balance for TV station, say I'm Your Excellency of the state, and you go to do White River project, but you don't take salary. What is the Excellency that on you? I really don't want to that woman talk. When you say that, he say, when so teach, this is the put him. And I concerning this money is just a budget of things. Let me be honest, my brother. all the money they recover, where did they put down? A lot of things. I don't talk about sometimes. Say Buhari won't do this country well. If for become Minister of Agriculture, Minister of Defense, if for not go for Minister of Petroleum. Thank you very much.
Oga Marvelous, thank you very much for your important contribution. It really did very unfortunate. Say we know to get plenty time to take calls, but we know say tomorrow we go throw the phone lines open quickly. Hear what everybody get to talk. A quick one. We don't hear what Nigerians get to talk, and everybody react to these particular issues them in the particular way. But we'll allow you round off now. Just let like a message of hope to Nigerians. Make all of us get faith and belief in say our country indeed it go work out for good.
For me, Nigeria now we own. We must to do better for them. Everybody. Now all of us get the job for our hand.
Very true.
Oga Buhari, our governor, everybody. Even inside our house, all of us, na leader, na papa, na mama, make sure we do our job. Make we raise better pikin self when Nigeria go dey proud of yes. For tomorrow. We no go bring shame. When we dey small, our papa go say good name better pass all the money self for the world. So if all of us begin dey up our standard for the better of this country, Nigeria go truly dey great. This mission is possible. Me no quit on Nigeria. You know, we no get another one. Exactly. This one we must to make am better. By the time where we dey live, make we live am better for our children where they come. Now the job where we owe them be that.
Thank you very, very much.
We don't finish my account about this particular decision, and it go good make every Nigerian just take this one to heart. We know say at the time when we say plenty Nigerians they look and say, oh, the way when this situation there for the country now, like say confidence no day. But all these things where you don't talk now are things when we say go encourage Nigerians and give plenty Nigerians them hope. We always talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Nkubi.
Bye-bye. Till tomorrow we'll see again.
But we go thank our Ogbonge visitor. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.